Party chairman early in the morning at 1 a.m. in the morning in fact. And fortunately I had a word with Chief Minister of Assam also this night or last night actually. And it looks like that Home Ministry is very sympathetic to the problems of the Prasa people in Tripura, and Home Ministry is serious to address our issues. There will be a meeting, most likely, between Tipra Motha, maybe BJP top leaders, and also with the high officials of Home Ministries. Tonight we have a couple of meetings, and if anything to happen, actually, we can only tell right after the meeting.
So ultimately, the Home Ministry has taken.
Exactly, that much I can tell you, that the issue of Greater Tipraland and the constitutional solution, which was our demand, Home Ministry is serious about addressing this.
And sir, Amit Shah himself will be there in the meeting.
I think last night Home Minister Maharaj and Assam Chief Minister, they had a dialogue, and we hope that such a good number of delegations we are heading towards Delhi. All these things are to happen in the presence of Home Minister.
And you still stick to your demand of Greater Tipraland or stayed within the state?
See, one thing is that we talk about Greater Tipraland, and also we want to appeal to all sections of people and the government of India. If far better solutions are available in the constitution, we definitely will accept it. Whether it is within state or a state within the country, anything which is good, where all people can live peacefully, we'll accept it.
সিট শেয়ারিং নিয়ে কি কোনো কথাবার্তা হবে এখানে?
সেই ব্যাপারে একটা জিনিস হচ্ছে পলিটিক্সে গিভ অ্যান্ড টেক। আপনি আমার থেকে কিছু একটা নিয়ে যান, আমাকেও কিছু একটা দিন। সো definitely if constitutional solution comes up, the expectation from Tipra Motha also will be there. আমাদের থেকেও কিছু নিতে চাইবে, দেখা যাক কি হয় সেখানে গিয়ে।
Thank you, sir.